Hey guys, I'm here at the LA Auto Show. We're with the all-new redesigned Forester from Subaru. They have quite a few here. This trim level, that trim level, and the one up there. They don't have all the details quite yet. I believe it's carryover powertrain, so Boxer 4 cylinder, symmetrical all-wheel drive, but really I'm just going to detail the styling here on the new Forester. It's really difficult to get a clean shot because there's so many people interested in the Subaru Foresters. We're on the West Coast, like it is Subaru country. I like the bronze wheels here. 19s here on the new Forester in that bronze finish. The Sport Grade has that bronze finish as well. You know, this back end kind of reminds me of the Subaru Solterra, the fully electric variant, kind of with that light bar. Not quite as lobster claw anymore. They're getting away from that, but we got that rubber mat in there for a little bit of extra durability. Symmetrical all-wheel drive in the copper color. Look at this cloth material. Looks very nice. Subaru does a good job with the nice soft touch points on their interiors. Hard touch in the back, but really pretty nice interior. This leather or leatherette is very, very soft. Looks very cozy. Good legroom. Very small drivetrain hump there at the bottom. USB-A and USB-C. And we have an oversized, I wouldn't call it panoramic roof, but an oversized sunroof there at the top for the front and rear passengers. Folding this down, a couple cup holders, a couple vents back there as well for the passengers. And look at the Forester lettering here, right below that Subaru logo. Now, the Sport is bronze. Over here, it's blacked out. And this crossbar here is also blacked out. As we come to the bottom, kind of have also that bronze outlet here for a dummy exhaust area. Makes me wonder, are they going to have a dual exhaust in the future? Maybe when the hybrid comes out. The hybrid is going to come out, they said, in about a year. And just a single tip back here, which is very recessed into the rear bumper. That is interesting. You can hardly see that exhaust tip. So from certain angles, it just looks like an empty holder there, placeholder where an exhaust tip should go. So I bet people will modify this tip for it to come out because this is even polished and you can't even appreciate it from many, many angles. So I like this functional piece here for the air to come around. Glossy side mirrors here with turn indicators on the inside. Now this front end is very much more blacked out. If we look at that trim level back there, it has a silver strip that goes across, and I actually like that silver strip more because it breaks up what otherwise is just a gaping amount of black plastic, shiny black plastic on the front. But this Sport model has upgraded daytime running lights, it looks like, compared to that model over there. They look like they're fully LED, and that model up there doesn't have the same daytime running light. Or this could be actually, this could be placeholder. I'm not 100% sure. I don't know if that's pre-production or what, but it looks completely different compared to those other trim levels. But it looks good from the front. Just wish it would break it up a little bit more, like with that silver piece over there. Looking into the front seat here, door feels nice and light. Getting that cloth material, that bronze to follow the theme. Bronze here at the bottom of the dash. Kind of have, ooh, I like this texture, this honeycomb texture on the dash. Like the stitching. Soft touch on the top. That's pretty premium for a Subaru. I like the traditional shifter. Bronze accents, and that stitching looks gorgeous here on the steering wheel here. We got the 11-inch vertical screen, still keeping the volume knob and tuning knob, while the climate control goes kind of more into the touchscreen controls. You have a wireless charger down there, USB-C. You still have an aux in here. How about that? USB-A, couple cup holders, a 12-volt, parking brake, a nice resistance center console armrest here with nice padding. The seats, pretty plain. They are not perforated, so for me in Florida, typically that means that they're going to get sticky, a little sweaty. But I like this. The bottom cushion seems really long here, and that's going to be great for taller drivers. Again, that piping on the side looks pretty nice. So signing up from the Subaru booth, this was their big reveal here at the LA Auto Show. Like I said, hybrid incoming, and then we got Toyota Jeff. He's now going to be Subaru Jeff.
Subaru Jeff in the house.
Yeah.
The Forester. Woo!
Yeah, we're super pumped about it, but we know they're going to sell like hotcakes, especially when the hybrid comes out. But we'll see you in the next one.